Hello everyone, this video is about the search function of CNKI's new platform. The new platform provides cross-database and single-database search. You can define your search range by checking the product in the homepage Cross-Database Products, or turn to the Advanced Search page. Click the cross-databases on the top right of the page to choose products. 5 search methods are provided in the new platform: Advanced Search, Professional Search, Scholar Search, Sentence Search, and Basic Search. First, let's have a look at the Basic Search. The search method on the homepage is Basic Search or One-Stop Search, and the cross-databases search products are by default journal, thesis and dissertation, proceedings, and newspapers. Click and display subject. Search items can be changed within the list. Then, let's have a look at how to get to a single database. Click the name of the product under the search bar. You can get to the single product database. Right-click Journal. You can get to the journal product page. There is another way to get to the single database. In the product area, CNKI has listed every single database of its products. Click the name of any product and you can get to the product page. Still take journal as an example. Click journal and then get to the journal product page. Or you can change database by clicking the product name on the top of the database page. Next is classification search. Enter diabetes in the one-stop search bar and get to the result page. You can set your search range by choosing classification. Click classification to display all the categories of its disciplines, which includes 10 series and 168 disciplines. Click either discipline, and the search results will be limited under the discipline. Search in results is available within one-stop search method. Under the current search results catalog, enter a new search term like influence. Click Search in Results. You will get the coding results under the search term diabetes and influence, and both terms will be recorded under the search bar. Click out Influence. You will get back to the first search results page. Next, let's have a look at Advanced Search. You can click plus and minus to add or delete conditions. Frequency indicates the frequency of the search terms displayed within the article. CNKI still uses the international common logic operator of Boolean logic and or not. Precise and fuzzy means the way to match. Advanced search options provide many combinations of conditions, which include author, author's unit, publication date, source, and font. Online first refers to an immediate online version. Enhanced publishing includes text, datasheet, image, audio, video, software program, and manuscript in addition to the content published in printed version. Data paper focuses on academic data and related information including data acquisition, data processing, and analytical method. The manuscript of a data paper is composed of a description document, dataset, and metadata. You can choose any of the 3 new publishing modes to get more precise results. Let me show you how to use Advanced Search. Input rise in the subject bar. Limit the frequency to 2. Choose AND. Meanwhile, enter yield to limit the search results under the search items of both rise and yield. Then choose fuzzy search. If you want the search results to be accurate to the author or the institution, you can enter the author's name like Yuan Longping. Limit the time span from 2000 January 1st to today. Click Online First, Enhanced Publishing, and Data Paper. Then click Search. You will get the according search results. In professional search, you can type in retrieval formulas based on retrieval grammar and logical operators, which is basically designed for professional users who are used to doing complicated search. Click Retrieval Expression Type Grammar to display the retrieval grammar or check the retrievable fields for reference. In Scholar Search, by entering the author's name, Yuan Longping, and institution, you can get all the articles published by the author and related information such as sites and downloads. And you can have a full picture of the author's research fields and findings based on the grouped search results. In sentence search, you can enter more than 2 search terms to get articles containing all the search terms in a sentence or in a paragraph. Like you can enter China and economics. Click search, then you will get the according search results.